What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. You know what I mean? And today, I'm gonna be showing you something different. I'm showing you this ESKY key finder, model KF06A. You know, this is for the people who always lose their keys, their remotes, their bag, or whatever. You know, you're gonna see why real soon. Here's all the information. I mean, there's a lot of different ones out there. You know, people like to buy the tile, but the tile is a bunch of piece of trash because the battery's not replaceable in it, so you gotta get a new one all the time, and I don't like that. I like having replaceable batteries that you can replace yourself. All these freaking big companies think they can do whatever they want and not have replaceable batteries, which is BS. Know what I mean? If you like me, you like to be able to fix your own shit. Anyways, inside the box, you get everything. Oh, it just fell out. Pardon me. Looks like a mess, but it doesn't matter. Here's the remote. Obviously, you got 6 buttons corresponding to the color on each transponder. I don't know what you want to call it. Alright, whatever you attach it to. It's gonna make a noise when you press it. So you're gonna have to keep this remote somewhere safe. Here's a stand for the remote. You know, you can keep it somewhere like this and on a table, or you can put it in a drawer. But make sure you don't lose this, because if you lose this and you lose your keys, then you get out of luck. I mean, make sure you don't lose this. So here's all this. It's packaged like cheaply, but it's okay. We're not here for any luxury goods or anything, right? So you get 5 batteries, CR 2032. All right. Oh no, you get more than that. They're just detached. Damn, you got 8 right there. I mean, these are probably cheap batteries, but it's okay. You got little rings to attach them to your keychain or whatever you want. This is probably a tool to pop open the back of the remote, or pop open each little fob, whatever the hell these are called, and to replace the battery. This one obviously doesn't need to be used tool on that. So I'm going to pop open one of these batteries. This is a common size for a lot of electronics, CR 2032. If you replaced any kind of batteries on your car remote or something, it's very common. So here I pop that battery in. This one's ready to go. You get the instructions here. I'll flip through it real quick just in case you guys need it. English, German, and Japanese. Interesting choice of languages. English, German, and Japanese. Only 3 languages. Interesting choice. Usually they'll pick Spanish, you know, Espanol, but no, they didn't. That's a different thing. Anyways, here you want to complain, that's where you complain, and that's all. We're not here for that. Okay, so you get little sticky double-sided tape foam stickies. You can stick it on the back of your remote. If you always lose this between the cushions in your couch, you can do that. And let's see what colors we got here. Alright guys, you see all 6 of them. You can pick the color you like, you know. If each person in your home loses their keys, you can pick your color. So let's do this right here real quick. I'm not here to talk all day long. I know you guys got other shit to do. Let me pop this thing open real quick. I'm gonna pop open the orange one right here. Where is it? Okay, right here. There's a little notch here. You stick that in there. don't want to twist too hard because I feel like I'm gonna break it, but that's what it's meant for. I mean, it's not wide enough to pry this way or this way. You probably gotta turn it like a coin. It doesn't feel natural. This feels wrong to turn like this, honestly. Oh, wow, I felt a little vibration in that thing when I opened it like that. It doesn't feel good, honestly, when opening it like that. But it's alright. That's what it was meant to do. Then screw it. Alright, I'm just gonna run off the sides here because I don't want to break it. You know, this plastic stuff is always usually cheap. So that's what the internals look like. Let's pop another battery open. Anyways, the first one will be going is going to be for my wife's keys, because she loses her keys and then she blames me for misplacing them, even though I had nothing to do with them. Honey, what's your favorite color?
I don't know. Hey.
There's orange. There's I guess this one is pink, red. There's green, yellow, blue, and purple. Which one do you like? Purple. Okay, so I opened the wrong one here. It's okay, guys. You see I opened this one here.
Black one is fine too.
There's no black here. Okay. I'm getting better at opening these. You know, screwdriver would work just as good to open this. But it's okay. Give you this cheap tool. Alright. So I'm going to open another battery right here. I'm going to pop it in right here into the purple one, which she chose. The reason why I bought this is just because, you know, she loses her keys a lot. And I don't want to get blamed for it anymore. So I bought this so she could find the keys easier. You know, so I thought this is a better choice than the tile and shit like that, because tile's expensive. This one's a cheap option. And also, why not? It can go with your remote. No, you know, well, actually this kind of remote is curved, so that's gonna be kind of terrible. But you know, there's a bunch of different shape ESKY key finders. There's round ones and the curved. This one is probably, I think it's the newer version. They wanted to make it more like the competitors with the tile and stuff. They wanted to be more a flat design, flatter design. They thought it was trendy or whatever, copying the looks of the competitors. So you know, you saw me put the battery in here. She chose the purple one. Let's see how loud this gets. Alright, so this is out in the open, obviously, right next to the microphone. I don't know how loud that's going to sound when it's hiding. Okay, so we're going to simulate this a little bit. This is going to be kind of a hard test for it, but you know, we'll make the test hard, alright? We'll put it in the bag, which, you know, your key is not going to be hiding inside the bag most likely. We're going to put it inside this box that it came with. This is a pretty hard test because this is completely enclosed, like a sound box. I mean, we'll put it here, alright? I'm not sure if you guys can hear that on the camera, but this is too tough of a test. You know, it's very faint. Okay, so it depends which way the speaker is facing, really. If the speaker, see, it doesn't help that it's completely enclosed inside the bag. The speaker is back on the back. If the speaker is covered by anything, it makes it a lot quieter. See, if the speaker is facing you, you already heard that difference. But you get the point. Okay, so it's not that loud, but it's alright. We're gonna have to test this out by, my wife losing her keys again, and she's gonna have to use this remote and see if she can find her stuff. It's not that loud. I know there's louder options out there. There's a key ringer, but you only get one, and it's chunky. This one's very small and can go on your keychain and not take up too much space. So my camera ran out of space, so here it is. So you guys see it doesn't perform that well inside the box. We're gonna have to see if this is gonna function properly, or do what it's supposed to do, which is help you find your misplaced item. The next time my wife loses her keys, she's gonna have to use this remote and walk around. It's not that loud though, so that's a little bit concerning. There's a key ringer out there which you only get one piece, but it's very loud. So, but this one is small and nice form factor, small. You can put on your keys and not take up all your space in your pocket or your purse, whatever. And the key ringer is bulky. So, that one's much louder though. But with this, it's kind of not that loud, So it's not that loud, but it might be okay, might be loud enough in a quiet house. If you put that in the bag and see, it's not loud when I put it inside the bag, unless you got bionic ears, which my wife might have, depending on what I'm saying. If I'm mumbling some negative things, then she might hear it. But if if I'm saying something and yes.
Oh, no, honey.
Okay, and it seems like she lost something in the garbage can. So yeah, guys, you can see this review, this unboxing. I think this thing is not going to do that great because it's not that loud. But if it's like hiding under something, it's not too deep inside the couch, I think it'll help you find it. Unless you're deaf, but it should work. All right, it should work. Yeah, guys. So, I forgot, no knife flick. Until next time, Tim Z out.